Tappy activated. Get ready to download further data on the next steps of creating your meme coin. Setting up a wallet is important for storing your meme coin and interacting with the blockchain, boosting your knowledge on the topic. You can use an existing wallet or create a new one specifically for your meme coin. The next step is crucial. It's designing your very own token. You need to decide on the details of your meme coin. This includes choosing the name, logo, total supply of coins, and how many tokens will be created. Keep it on your memory board that these decisions should align with the concept you defined earlier. Then, you need to develop meme coin smart contracts. Clarification algorithms on. They control how your meme coin works and set the rules for the token. It's important to make sure that your smart contract is secure to avoid any risks. It's a good idea to hire a skilled smart contract development company to help you prevent security issues. Let's recharge and continue. Tappy deactivated.